Welcome to CAD Station. In this tutorial, we are going to make this part using the SolidWorks 2022. So let's start. You can first see this part. It's a simple part. We will use the simple features of the SolidWorks. So let's start from the new and the part. The first of all, I'm going to start from the front plane and sketch. And here, the line command from here, just make a horizontal line, vertical, and again the horizontal line of same dimension. Now next is we are going to use today offset entities and select this line, and you can select any of these three lines. There is a 10 dimension of offset. Okay, now line, close this one and this one, escape. Now next is we are going to put it 100 This one is going to be 75 Escape, select one of this line and this one and make the relation equal. And next is select the origin, select the line and the relation midpoint. Now we are going to features extrude boss base. We are going to convert this sketch into 3D by selecting the mid plane, and this is going to be 100 and next is select the top face sketch. Here you have to select the line. Just okay, wait a minute. Again, select the line. Make a line here. Then we need a semicircle. So here is the semicircle. Come to the wall and let's close this sketch here. Now give some relations as select the point, press Ctrl this point, and it's going to be vertical, this arc, and the line is going to be tangent. The center point and the origin is going to be horizontal. Now next is smart dimension. From here to here, distance is 10 okay, and the arc radius is going to be 13 Okay, now next is we need a circle or a bit, and this circle is going to be of 12 Now Control 7 for isometric view, and we are going to cut this sketch, and we want to cut through all both, or you can select that through all. Okay, next we have done the backside. Now select the right face sketch. You need to select the circle and make a circle line. Just make a horizontal line. Now find the yes, I will make the horizontal line, escape. Now next is select one, press Ctrl and the 2, and this is going to be equal. Smart dimension, the circle is going to be of 16 65 okay, 65 The diameter from here to the origin, this distance is going to be 22 or 23. So let's make it of 23 Trim, and this one. Features extrude boss base. This is going to be of only 10 and okay. Next is again face, circle, origin, make a circle of diameter 38 Control 7 for isometric view, and we are going to extrude it 35 and okay. Next, again we have to extrude one more circle. So make the circle from the origin, and this circle is going to be of 25 mm. Okay, wait. Let's make it 28 mm. Again, features extrude boss base, and this is going to be of 50 or 60 mm. Okay, let's 110 mm. Zoom to fit and done. Now, next is let's select the top plane or this plane. Sketch rectangles. Just make a random rectangle here. Smart dimension, you have to just mention from here to the rectangle distance is 30 mm. And no need to mention anything else. Simply you have to go to features, extrude cut, and we want the front face. Now we are going to extrude cut 50, 40, or 43 mm. 43 mm. Control 7 for isometric view. You can see it's cut. No, the model is ready. We have to give it some appearance. For this, I'm going to, if you can just let me show you. If you want to give the appearance like this, Control 7, you can see the back is of green, its sides are silver, this is the black, and all have the unique colors. So we are going to give our model same appearance as the previous one. So select from here boss extrude, go to appearance and mention the green. Okay. Next, select the face, press Control, this one, appearance, and go to the first. Okay. Next, this one, this is the boss extrude 2, appearance, and this is going to be of black. Then, now this one, this is extrude 3, and this time it's going to be of, and the last is boss extrude 3 appearance, and this is going to be silver. Now this one is the extrude, so select cut extrude appearance, and this is going to be of, you can give it any color of your choice, Control 7, and here our model is ready. So this is a simple basic tutorial for the SolidWorks. If you are beginner, then this tutorial is very helpful to you. If you are new to CAD Station, then press the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share to your friends. Thank you.